To measure blood oxygen during sleep using your Galaxy Watch for better sleep monitoring, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the Wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the Wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. On your phone, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap help. Under measurement section, tap sleep, and then tap the gray on off switch next to blood oxygen during sleep until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By turning on blood oxygen monitoring during sleep, your watch helps track your oxygen level throughout the night. You can view the result in the sleep section of the Samsung Health app. Given the function, this feature provides deeper insight into your breathing and sleep quality, helping you detect potential health issues early. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.